Okay, guys, so let's just get started in creating our form. So we need to have all the basic things for our document. Okay, so let me just explain this because I know some of you are just getting started with HTML. So yeah, so right here in the first line, what we have is that it explains the type of version we are using, the type of code or HTML we are using. So the current version right now in 2021 is actually HTML5. You can just do some research about that. So here we are just telling that we are using HTML language, which and then we will be our document or our web page will be about English. So we are writing our web page in English, and then all the metadata that we have here, you can just do research about that. I'll be skipping most of the parts here, and then here is the title, guys. What we want to name our form or our web page. Maybe let's say it is a registration page. Registration um page. So this is just the registration page. So yeah, and then the rest of our code we write it below here on the body tag. So if I can just say h1, and then I close this h1, I can just greet you hello guys. Then if I can save that, it should be able to print out hello guys. So what we are seeing here is actually what I have written here. So yeah, so we'll just discuss um some of the most important parts. So I mostly use something called containers, which just carries all our code in one place. A container can have a container is any element that contains nested elements. So when I say nested elements, as you can see here, I've got a body, and then inside of this body I've got a div tag. So as you can see, this is nested inside of our body element. So as you can see, this is still a container, or it contains our nested elements. So as you can see here, some other people like to use form, but I don't use it. I don't know why. I just get started with the label, um the label, um and then I could just tell the user to put in their name, and then maybe let's say give a heading for our form. Let's say H2 um register now, and then I can just put in a close tag, and then I can just put in H2, and then here I can just put in the input, and then type, and then equals to text. It's supposed to be text, and then I can have close this. So as you can see, we've got our basic HTML form. Now you can get extreme with this stuff. So let me just check the time that we have. So we're almost up. I'm just gonna copy that and paste it. So I'm gonna just copy that, and then here I can just type to email if I want the email users. So in order to have space, I'm gonna put in the br tag. So yes, thanks for watching. I will be styling our page in the next tutorial, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. So yes, this is our output so far, and I forgot to